So I'm going to be looking at this Dell Optiplex 3000 thin client, and so it has an Intel Celeron, so not good. Alright, let me take this case off. Forgot to say what ports there are. USB 3.0, USB 2.0, aux, power button. On the back, two USB 3.0s, two USB 2.0s, one Ethernet, two display ports, the power. I'll open this real quick. It doesn't even have a fan. One stick of 8 gigabytes of, I believe, DDR4. No fan for the heatsink. Our CMOS, that 2 slot Wi-Fi card. I don't know what these, I wonder what that port is really. Let me flip it over. Alright, so that port is a KBMS serial. No, oh, Type C, so saying they can put Type C on there. There's no Type C in there, right? That's it. Alright, so I took the heatsink off and it just, I don't know which one's the CPU, or they're probably both, I don't know though. But on it's like a, either this is thermal paste or probably thermal pad, it looks like, it feels like. But that part is thermal paste. That's really it.